Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to remove the added fingerprint lock from this device. So in this device I already set one fingerprint lock. You can see it is unlocked. So let me show you how to remove this fingerprint lock from this device. For this, go to settings, then scroll down, tap on security and privacy, then tap on device unlock, tap on face and fingerprint, tap on fingerprint. So here we need to enter our current screen lock. Now you can see I added only one fingerprint. You can see finger 1. To delete this one, tap on the three dots on the right side, then tap on delete, then tap on delete. You can see it is deleted. Now let me show you when lock the device. Now you can see they are not asking for the fingerprint lock, only the pattern screen lock. So simply in this way you can remove the added fingerprint lock in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.